In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excel in Xiaomi Pad 7. So your Xiaomi Pad 7 had a Google Play Store. So for this case, let's head over and see if it's available. Click on the search bar and search right here for Sheets or Excel. Once you've done so, you can find Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Then head over and click onto this install in order to install it directly into your device. You can see right here a preview of what it would look like, but this is only for phone, so make sure of that. So since this is actually available for the tablet, you can head over and use it directly from there. Just type right here your data, you can generate charts, you can actually sort them, summarize, apply formulas, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need for Xiaomi.